Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the AI tool that give you the best practice or the best tool to have an idea about your design of your solution and to get the code of it. All what you need to do, just press vdev vo dev. You will go with the first one, which is Biversal, which is the first demo testing of the social account is not connected to any virtual one. So I will go for sign up and then I will use for the Google. I will pass this step. So guys, after the sign-ups, continue and I skip the phone number verification. You will have this one, which is using the let's say the best tools to make the thing faster and so on. So here I will just generate for me a website design for e-commerce, or let's say for real estate buyers using AI assistance. So I press next and then I will so guys, after the while of the generating comments using this tool, so I have this website which is contain this as for the homepage, the real estate things, the an STI assistance, how to can use it and so on, start free research, talk to your agent. So here you go guys, you have the how it works section, this testimonials and very ready to watch. So you have the code wise, which is the coding aspect and elements, and you can copy paste the code from here guys for your business. This tool is like wonderful and powerful one, so you get the point and you can publish it once again for the production and so on. I hope you liked the video. I hope it is worth it for you. Subscribe the channel, like and share, and peace the video.